Hello and welcome back to the Business Apac. Did you know that in the upcoming years, India is set to roll out its first semiconductor chip from a new plant in Gujarat's Dholera, marking a significant leap in the global tech race? But what could accelerate this journey? Could it be the speculated strategic deal between Tata Electronics and Tesla? This potential partnership is more than just a business transaction, it's a move that could grant India a substantial strategic advantage on the global stage. In this video, we'll try to uncover the reasons why this alliance is possible and how it could be a defining moment for India's strategic power. Tata Electronics is making a bold move in the semiconductor game, investing a massive 91,000 crore rupees in a new plant in Gujarat. By 2026, they're set to unveil chips that'll power up sectors from automotive to AI, with tech as advanced as 28 to 55 nanometer nodes. They've joined forces with Taiwan's Powerchip, leveraging their 6 foundries' prowess. It's a strategic play in India's mission to build a semiconductor empire, backed by a 50% government investment. Meanwhile, Tesla is scouting India's booming auto market, sealing a deal with Tata for those advanced chips. It's a strategic shuffle for Tesla's supply chain, hinting at a deeper dive into India's tech pool. With Elon Musk gearing up to chat with PM Narendra Modi, we're talking about a potential $2 to $3 billion investment in India's AV landscape. This isn't just a step, it's a giant leap for India's sustainable energy journey and a signal for the 5 reasons why the world should watch this space. Number 1. India's strategic manufacturing edge. Tata Electronics' potential deal with Tesla represents a significant stride for India, marking its entry into the global semiconductor supply chain, a domain historically dominated by a few countries. This deal could position India as a strategic player in the global tech arena, enhancing its geopolitical influence and economic growth. With a semiconductor market size of around $550 billion in 2023, India's entry into this domain could position it as a key player, offering a stable supply chain alternative. This strategic move could also bolster India's self-reliance in technology and fortify its standing in international trade and diplomacy. Number 2. Tesla's growing interest in India. With a burgeoning middle class, projected to be over 500 million by 2025, India is a significant market for Tesla's expansion. The Indian electric vehicle market is expected to grow at a CAGR of around 35%, making it a lucrative destination for Tesla's manufacturing plans. The company is reportedly in advanced talks to enter the Indian market, with potential plans to invest nearly $30 billion over the next 5 years in a manufacturing plant, battery ecosystem, and ancillary industries. The upcoming visit of Elon Musk is seen as a precursor to major announcements related to Tesla's investments in India. Number 3. Strategic power shift. China currently dominates over 70% of certain chip types, but the Tata-Tesla deal could mark the beginning of India's ascent in the semiconductor arena. As the world seeks alternatives to China's supply, India's potential rise as a semiconductor producer becomes strategically significant. The Tata-Tesla deal could mark the beginning of India's ascent in the semiconductor arena, potentially joining the ranks of major chip-supplying nations. With India's market projected to reach $55 billion by 2026, the deal could be a precursor to India establishing itself as a reliable partner in the global semiconductor supply chains. Number 4. Global security and chip supply. During the Ukraine crisis, the scarcity of chips notably affected US arms manufacturers. The shortage hindered the production of advanced weaponry, such as the Javelin missile launching systems, which require more than 250 chips each. The shortages brought to light the vulnerability of relying on a limited number of sources for these vital components. The crisis highlighted the strategic importance of semiconductors and the need for a resilient supply chain to ensure national security and defense readiness. India's entry into the semiconductor supply chain could strengthen the resilience and reliability of critical industries, reducing the vulnerability caused by limited supply sources. Number 5. Investment and local supply chain development. Tesla's potential investment in India could have a substantial impact on the development of a local supply chain for electric vehicles. Developing local semiconductor sources is crucial for India's strategic autonomy in technology. With the Indian government approving 3 semiconductor units, Tata Electronics' partnership with Powerchip Semiconductor Manufacturing Corp is a significant step towards this goal. The anticipated Tata-Tesla deal could signify India's entry into the high-stakes arena of chip manufacturing, emphasizing its commitment to technological self-reliance and reducing dependency on imports. The speculated Tata-Tesla deal, if realized, could be a transformative moment for India, potentially elevating the nation's status as a strategic power in the global semiconductor industry. This partnership would signify India's entry into the high-stakes arena of chip manufacturing, traditionally dominated by a few global players, and underscore its commitment to technological self-reliance. It's important to note that while the potential of such a deal is immense, it remains in the realm of speculation. As of now, neither Tata Electronics nor Tesla has officially confirmed the existence of this agreement. The anticipation surrounding this deal reflects the optimism and aspirations of India's technological future. Looking ahead, India's role in the global chip value chain appears promising. With substantial investments and government support, India is poised to become a pivotal player in the semiconductor market. This move could diversify the global supply chain and reduce the world's reliance on a handful of chip-producing nations. What are your thoughts on India's burgeoning semiconductor ambitions? Do you think the Tata-Tesla deal will materialize, and how might it impact the global tech landscape? Share your views in the comments below. Thanks for watching.